This is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com, and in this video we're going to continue exploring aggregations in MongoDB. This time what we're going to do is we're going to change our aggregation pipeline, and we're just going to use a different operator. And what we're going to do here is we're actually adding a new employee, employee 4, just to make the example a little bit fuller. We're adding Tom Wilbert. He's got a salary of 110,000, and we're going to add all of our employees, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to aggregate and specify that we want to sort by salary. Now you might recall that we actually sorted based off of a field in employee in a previous lesson, and we didn't actually use the aggregation pipeline. Instead, we simply directly specified that we wanted to sort on the collection without using this aggregate keyword. And for clarity, we can actually just go and find that real quick. I'll show you. This is back in our queries.js file, and we see that we had sorted by doing a find and then a sort by last name. Right? There's no aggregation pipeline. What we're demonstrating here is that we're doing something similar to that. We're going to get a similar answer, but we're doing it from the aggregation pipeline. The reason this is useful is that, remember, the aggregation pipeline, we can continue appending on many different pieces to the pipeline. All right, I can add another thing down here and just keep going and keep doing operations on my data. It's incredibly useful. And in this case, we're just specifying that we want to sort, this time based on salary. We're not doing a find or anything like that, so there's no filtering that we're doing. If you remember in queries.js, we were first finding on department IT. So what we're expecting here is simply that we're going to sort all of our employee records based on salary. So if we go back to the console, I'm going to clear and get things fresh and scroll back up. I'm running our aggregations.js file, and we'll see that we have all of our employees starting with John Smith at 44,000 all the way ending at Tom Wilbert with 110,000. So I hope that gives you an idea of some more different operations you can use inside of the aggregation pipeline. And yeah, I definitely recommend just thinking a little bit about different types of aggregations you could run. What's another operation you could run after sort on your data? Go ahead, think of one, add it in here, and see what your result is. Great, I'll see you in the next video.